All right, in today's video reference, we're going to learn how to factor quadratics. So again, we're calling these quadratics even because the book doesn't yet, but again, this is quadratics because anything to the degree of 2 is considered a quadratic. So, but at first it seems difficult, or it gets more difficult, but right now I would say it's kind of simple as long as the first term or the constant is a equals 1. So the format of the quadratics that we're doing right now are x squared plus bx equals c. But you'll notice in each example today, it's just x squared for all of them, x squared and x squared. So just like math message, the whole key to this is thinking about the last term here, and thinking about when you're coming up with the reverse FOIL, you need to think of the factors of that last term or that last constant, and then the sums of those products. So because we want it to add up to 11 in this case. So can someone tell me some of the factors of 18? What times what is 18? Yeah, so you got 9 and 2, 18 and 1, and 6 and 3. So out of all those factors, right now it's kind of simple because B and C are positive. So which two of those factors add up to 11? Yeah, 9 and 2. So how would you write the two binomials? X plus 9 times x plus 2, or of course you could do x plus 2 times x plus 9. So that's the first one. Let's look at another example here. Again, focusing in on that last term, last constant 8. This time we have a negative b and a positive c. Raise your hand who wants to give me the factors of negative 6, or just 6, and then we'll go back and make the signs work. So for 6, it's 2 and 3, and 6 and 1, and that's it. So wait, right? Yeah, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So my bad. That's not even the right number I'm looking for. I'm looking for the factors of 8. Sorry about that. I was like, why isn't it adding up? So factors of 8. Let's try that again. What are the factors of 8? So we had 8 and 1, 2 and 4, and that's the only things that multiply to be 8. So which ones do you think are going to be helpful in getting 6? Yeah, the 2 and 4. So now, but I know that the middle term needs to be negative and my last needs to be positive. So how do you think I'm going to make that happen? Yeah, minus 2 and minus 4, because when I FOIL it, the last will give me a positive 8. The inners and the outers, the negative 2x and the negative 4x, will add up to negative 6x. All right. Hopefully I don't mess up this third example here. So here goes nothing. X. I'm looking at this negative 15. Anybody want to tell me the factors of 15? 15 and 1, 5 and 3. Okay. So which two factors will be helpful to get the b term of positive 2? Yeah, I want to use 5 and 3. So here we know the last has to be a negative 15. So when I do this, I want to be able to add it to get positive 2. So anyone have any thoughts on how I could add 5 and 3? Which one would have to be negative and which one would have to be positive to make a positive 2? Yeah, so I'm going to make this positive 5 and this negative 3, and now that will work. So, and again, just to quickly see it, especially for Corinne and Addison that might be watching this, just to show the FOIL, you get x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Combine these, you get x squared plus 2x minus 15. Again, so that's how that works. So we'll try some of the guided notes, and you'll have some checkpoint problems to try as well.